Hello, it's John Burford with Tramline Traders, and today I'm covering gold, the gold market, and what stands out in the long-term weekly chart is the massive triple top here around the $2,080 mark. This one was put in late in the year 2020. This one in early 2022, and this one sometime earlier this year. Now, the thing to remember about triple tops is that they rarely last. They rarely herald a long-term bearish move on the charts, and I'm relying on that to forecast a continuation of the bull market in gold. Okay, so here's the first one here. We have an ABC, that's a 3 down. That looks like a 3 up. I'm not sure what that is. This looks like a 3 up, but this is a potentially a 5-wave continuation pattern off this low here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this fourth wave here must hold for this forecast to remain intact. So let's go down to the indicators here. This is the MACD and the stochastic. Now the general rule is when the stochastic drops below the bottom 20 line, it's considered oversold, and when the market starts to turn up, this dotted red line, I don't know whether you can see that, overtakes the solid line here, that is usually a buy signal, but not necessarily. If you can combine that buy signal with a potential buy signal in the MACD, then you've got a very strong buy signal. And this is exactly what happened at this low here. This is the short-term MACD, blue line, just overtaking the red line on the way up, just came off of a oversold position in the stochastic, and there is a little momentum divergence in the stochastic at that point there. That was a magnificent buy signal with very low risk. I believe that the rally of that buy signal will continue. Let's take a look at the shorter term chart. Okay, here's the daily chart. I've got some magnificent tram lines working. First of all, the upper tram line, we start off with this prior pivot point. That's a very strong indicator of a valid tram line, and to totally validate it, we need at least 3 accurate touch points. Let's see if we can count them. Well, there's a couple there. There's one there, one there, one there. That's at least 5. So that's a minimum for this line being a line of resistance. And from the last move off this wave 3 high, it came down to test this lower tram line, which I've drawn off this low here. It passes through that point there, that point there. So that's a valid lower tram line. It broke out of that trading channel here, but it's trying to get back up. And once again, we have a stochastic, which is giving us a buy signal down here. We now have a buy signal with the MACD with the turn up. That's a very strong buy signal. We're getting to an overbought region in the stochastic, but that's not a reason to sell. That is just confirmation that the immediate trend is up. So that is my forecast. We're going to get up to this point here, which is the 2000 mark, and any break upwards, a surge upwards off the line here, that will create this as a false break, and on to wave 5, which should be above the 2080 mark. So we're still bullish gold. I hope you liked this video, and I invite you to sign up to receive my weekly blogs and also to check out my 3 trading services, all with free trials available. For VIP Traders Club members, I issue specific trades with price targets and coverage of stock indexes, forex, T-bonds, and commodities. The new Phoenix Traders Club trades is aimed at smaller accounts. Again, I issue specific trades. And my Pro Shares service covers individual UK and US shares. Remember, I offer free trials to all 3 services. Just go to www.tramlinetraders.com.